Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening shortcuts and confirming the minimal permissions. This lets actions access apps and data. Next, tap the plus icon and pick Add Action so you can compose behavior. Choose a first action, for example, get current location or open app, so you immediately see inputs and outputs. Once done, connect one action to another by tapping plus between them. Make sure to name the shortcut and assign an icon for quick recognition before moving to more complex logic. Now build the core logic. Add if blocks, repeat loops, and choose from menu to control flow. These determine how the shortcut reacts. Use set variable to capture an action result and get variable later to reuse that value. Variables let you avoid repeating steps. For web calls or APIs, use get contents of URL and parse JSON to extract fields. Run the shortcut after small changes to observe outputs and refine each step, so the whole sequence behaves predictably. Complete the shortcut by adding final actions like show notification, quick look, or save file so results are visible and useful. Then wire triggers. Assign a Siri phrase, add a home screen icon, place the shortcut in a widget, or create an automation that runs on time or event. If something goes wrong, inspect the failing action, verify permissions and data types, and insert show result or quick look to reveal intermediate values. Once stable, share or back up the shortcut for reuse.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.